Interested in salon quality nails from home? Then watch how I created this beautiful Seaside Fantasy Set using Makartt's all-in-one acrylic and dip powder. So here is Makartt Pro's all-in-one acrylic and dip powder. I chose the color Big Shot because it is totally giving me deep blue sea vibes, perfect for this set that I'm doing. I'm going to be using this as an acrylic today, so you saw it's very finely milled, beautiful and sparkly, and I have some monomer here, so we're going to grab a few beads and apply this to the underside of a full cover tip. You can use a half cover tip. This product is so perfect for your acrylics, your dips. As a sugar, you can make charms out of this. What I love about this product is that it is non-marbling, it is self-leveling, it's absolutely exquisite. It looks beautiful on its own, but we wanted to go for some super fun seaside fantasy vibes, so this is the final look. And you don't need several jars of this acrylic and that dip powder and these glitters. This is your all-in-one. So head over to Makartt and grab some of these all-in-one acrylic and dip powders to create your own beautiful set.